New York, the city that never sleeps, a city built on ambitions, power, and dreams, a city where billionaires rule the skyline and politicians rule the streets. But in 2025, something very big happened here. For the first time in history, New York elected a socialist mayor, Zohran Mamdani.
Democratic candidate Zohran Mamdani has been elected to be New York's next mayor.
The Democrat Zohran Mamdani has been elected mayor of New York City. The 34-year-old will become the city's first Muslim mayor.
A young man who started as a housing worker and ended up leading the biggest city in America. This is the story of how he did it and how he fought against the most powerful people in the country to win. Zohran Mamdani was born in Kampala, Uganda in 1991. When he was a child, his family left Uganda because of political problem and came to New York to live a better life. His father, Mahmoud Mamdani, is a famous teacher and writer. His mother, Mira Nair, is a filmmaker who made movies about real people and their struggles. Growing up in Queens, Zohran saw two sides of New York. Tall buildings, rich people, and dreams on one side, and poverty, rent problems, and broken hopes on the other sides. Those things made him want to fight for justice. After finishing his studies at Boarding College, he started working as a housing counselor, helping poor families who were being pushed out of their homes. He saw how hard life was for ordinary people and how the system mostly worked for the rich. So he decided to step into politics to change that system. In 2020, Zohran ran for the New York State Assembly, representing Astoria and Queens. He had no rich donors or famous supporters, but he had something more powerful: the people. He went door to door, talked to families, listened to their problems, and promised to fight for them. And guess what? He won. That win gave him hope and gave New York a new kind of leader, young, honest, and close to the people. Then came 2025, the year everything changed. Zohran announced he was running for mayor of New York City, and suddenly many powerful people became his enemies. Donald Trump called him a danger to business. Elon Musk joked on X that New York will go broke if this guy wins. Big corporations and rich politicians start spending millions of dollars to stop him. Even some members of his own party said he was too extreme. Most of the media laughed at him. They said he was too young, too idealistic, and that New York would never choose a socialist. But Zohran did not give up. He told people, "We are stronger together, and this city belongs to us." His campaign became a movement. From Queens to Brooklyn, from the Bronx to Harlem, people came together. Young people, immigrants, workers, and families all stood with him. They wanted a city where rent was fair, transport was free, and everyone had a home. He promised to build affordable housing for everyone, to create public banks that help small businesses, to make public transport free and safe, and to fight climate change by creating green jobs. Slowly his word turned into hope, and hope turned into power. On election night, November 4, 2025, the world changed. At first, it looked like the powerful politicians were winning. But then the votes from Queens, Brooklyn, and the Bronx came in, and everything changed. The people had spoken. Zohran Mamdani, the immigrant kid from Queens, had defeated the system. He was now the mayor of the New York City. His victory shocked everyone. Donald Trump tweeted in anger. Elon Musk posted memes making fun of him. But millions of New Yorkers were celebrating because they finally had a leader who cared about him. Zohran's story showed that even if powerful people try to stop you, you can still win if the people stand with you. It proved that one man with courage and belief can fight against money, power, and fear and still change history. Hope you liked the video. If you want to watch more videos like this, subscribe The Hidden Sphere.